before I get into scheduled task profiles, I want to talk about this, the actions menu, because an action is something really quick, right? I want to take an action, I want to run a Mac script, or I want to run an automation policy. And you come in here and you go, okay, I want to run this particular automation. I'll get public IP, whatever it might be, IP address. I can map them to custom properties if I want. And I want to do that to not all devices. I want to do it to all workstations and laptops. Okay, I want to get the public IP for everything. I'll schedule it now, run. Or say I want to make it recurring. Like I want this information every week. Okay, well, this is called a scheduled task limitation. The limitation being is that it is point in time. Anything you use, well, I should say in this area right here that says run or push, anytime you're doing a recurring action in here, it is recurring as of today. So if you're using a filter, it is the filter that is built for today. Any future device, any future workstation, any future laptop that comes into N-central will not get this automation, which I may add is the whole reason why we have what are called scheduled task profiles. So I can come here and add, and I'll go automation policy, and I'll find public IP again. I'll just use that as my bad example. Something like this, and again, I'll use a custom property if I want schedule, and again, reoccurring. But you notice that it doesn't have all of the other options, right? So again, it's got some other options in here. What happens if it misses or what have you? And then I click save. So I'll call it public IP once, something like that. Save. Now, this is simply just a container. I'll call it again, public IP once a week, something like that. You can call it whatever you want. It's just an example. But now I've got a container for this where you are public IP address or public IP once a week, right? Now, in terms of standardization, what I do want to do is I want to come into rules and I want to build, well, let's say I already have an automation rule. So I'll come back here and I got proactive automation or special automation. We'll use that one. Well, what I can do now is to come in the scheduled task profile under my special automation, my proactive automation, whatever it may be, and simply add in public IP once a week. Any device that matches this, either today, tomorrow, 3 years from now, will automatically get this based on the customers you assign it to. Now, again, special automation should be for your proactive or your fully managed customers, not your reactive customers. Okay, and then you would click save, and that's it. That is how you standardize your automation using rules and scheduled task profiles. So hopefully that answered your question.